Well, we were having a problem where Lopez was terrified of Jack. Every time Jack tried to play with him or anything like that, Lopez took that as aggression and he would run and hide under me. He knew I would protect him. Well, there's been some changes since then. And they have been doing some lessons. And they're out there playing. Oh, now you're going to stop playing. Go beat each other up. Go get him, Jack. Beat him up. You gonna make a liar out of me? Hi. Come on. Get him. First it started off where Jack wouldn't do anything, or Lopez wouldn't do anything. And then I was getting frustrated every time I tried to take a picture or a video of the dogs playing. The second I pull off the camera, they'd stop. I was getting frustrated, but that's the closest I got of them being friends. Last night they were driving us crazy because they played for like 3 hours, beating the knocking the sense out of each other. And even after that, when it was time to go to bed, they didn't want to be separated. It was hard. But we finally got through the night. But they're really, really good friends now. Good job! Well, we went to racquetball. And I didn't record much, but he did really good in there. He'd just sit down and behave himself. Now I'm on the treadmill. We're in a gym with people, and somebody is being a super good dog. He gave out a couple of woofs and he got told no. He decided he'll just lay down and be good. So that's our lesson for today. Well, I just made a mistake. Oops. He's over there now. Because he dumped his water bowl. I gave him water and he dumped it on the floor. And we're almost done. Somebody come to clean up his mess. I'm done. Time to go home. Service dogs should not be fed while we're in a restaurant, but they shouldn't be denied access. As long as they sit down and behave themselves, they're good. Somebody being good.